moneymakers? Take a look at these tiny world miniature videos. Aren't they just adorable? As always, your AI Maskman has done his homework and cracked the code on how to create these stunning miniature worlds using AI. And guess what? In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it. Trust me, this is the only tutorial you need to master this niche. It's a fresh and untapped market, with only a few channels covering it right now. If you jump in early, you have a massive opportunity to make serious money on YouTube. Why waste your time in a mentally exhausting job, barely making ends meet, when someone else wakes up at noon, works for just a few hours on creating content, and still earns 50 times more than you? It's not a joke. There are YouTubers making six figures just by focusing on the right niches for a few years. Honestly, I could be doing this myself and making bank, but my goal is to help you, the ones who are stuck in jobs they hate or struggling financially. That's why I put out these free videos and guides, to help you break free. I was one of you a few years back, but now I have more than 5 successful channels pulling in thousands of dollars every month. I have achieved what I need in my life. Now it's my time to help people and give quality education. All I ask in return is to click on that subscribe button to motivate me create more of these videos in the future. Alright, enough of talks. Grab some snacks and soft drinks and let's get started. Step 1. Generating ideas. First things first. How do we come up with different ideas for this type of video? What kind of scenes should we include? What should the background look like? How should the workers appear? All these details matter, and to figure them out we'll take the help of AI. And for that, we need a perfect detailed prompt. Now, I know exactly what the toughest part of the video creation process is. It's not the editing, not even the visuals. It's writing the right prompt for ChatGPT to get the perfect, accurate results. Sounds familiar? Writing prompts can be a real headache, but don't worry. As always, your AI Maskman has got your back. I've already prepared a ready-to-use prompt list for you. Just click on the link below and head over to our Telegram or WhatsApp channel, where you'll find not just this video's prompts, but a complete list for all your videos. Access them anytime and make your workflow super smooth. Your AI Maskman has put in a lot of effort to generate these prompts, so don't even think about leaving without liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Alright, here's what you need to do. Open the Google Doc linked below, select the first prompt and copy it. I've included every tiny detail to make sure you get the best results. Once copied, just paste it into ChatGPT and you're good to go. If possible, take a few screenshots from similar videos, something like this, and upload them while giving the prompt. This helps ChatGPT understand your vision better. As you can see, ChatGPT has already generated 10 unique ideas for us. If you have any specific idea in mind, just tell ChatGPT, "Hey, generate ideas like this too," and it will instantly add more suggestions for you. Cool, right? Now, once you find an idea you like, copy it and paste it back into ChatGPT with this command. I will choose this one for my video. Just analyze it and wait for my second command. Boom. Now that we've locked in an idea, it's time to generate stunning AI images for our video. And guess what? A perfect image needs a perfect prompt, and I've already got that ready for you too. Simply go back to the Google Doc, copy the next prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. In return, ChatGPT will generate 5 scene prompts based on your idea. This will help you create a longer and more engaging video effortlessly. If you want to add more scenes, simply tell ChatGPT, "Include more scenes." It will instantly generate additional scene prompts for you. This way you can create image prompts for any video idea effortlessly. But what if you come across a video you absolutely love and want to recreate the exact same thing? Easy. Just follow these steps. First, take screenshots of every scene from that video one by one. Then open ChatGPT and use this prompt. "I'm going to recreate this video. Please analyze these screenshots and generate detailed AI prompts for each shot. Each prompt should be at least 4 to 5 detailed sentences and should be photorealistic." Then upload all your screenshots right there. And that's it. ChatGPT will generate perfectly detailed prompts for each scene, helping you recreate the video with precision. Now let's move on to the next step. I've always been committed to bringing you the best niche ideas and top-tier tutorials. completely free. Over time, many of you have taken advantage of these resources and built successful businesses just by watching my videos, but I also know that some of you want more. That's exactly why I created AI Maskman Academy. Inside, you'll get full access to exclusive courses covering everything you need to build a profitable YouTube business, live coaching calls where I personally guide you through challenges, a private community of like-minded creators to network and grow with. If you're serious about making money with AI and YouTube, this is your chance to learn directly from me. The best part is, for the initial members, I am offering 70% discount to every one of you. So before the price increases, check out the link in the description now. Creating AI-generated images. For this, our first tool is TensorArt AI. Here's what you need to do. Sign up on TensorArt AI. Once you do, you'll get some free credits to use. Select the text to image option. Under the model selection, choose Flux for the best results. Go to the size settings, select Custom, and set the width to 1080 and height to 1920. Now, simply copy your prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Choose the number of images you want and hit Generate. I've already generated 2 images using these exact settings, and let me show you how they turned out. The results? Pretty good, right? So, you can definitely use this tool. But apart from this, there's also Leonardo AI. A lot of you might already be familiar with this tool, right? Here's how you can use it effectively. First, select the Phoenix model from the options. Then, in the aspect ratio settings, choose the mobile format. After that, simply paste your prompt into the text box. And just like that, boom. Leonardo A, I will generate an image for you in no time. The results look pretty good, right? Now let's try selecting the lifelike version from the preset options and see how it turns out. This isn't exactly what we want. So, always make sure to select Phoenix from the preset models for the best outcome. Moving on to the next tool, CG Dream AI. This tool also gives you free monthly credits, which you can use for image generation. On the dashboard, you'll see tons of images. If you like the style of any particular image, just select it. Replace its prompt with your own, and the tool will automatically apply the same filters to your image. If you prefer more control, you can also manually select your own filters to get the exact look you want. I've already chosen a few filters here. Let's see the result. To maintain a consistent look throughout your video, make sure you apply the same filters to all your images. That way, everything looks seamless and professional. You can also use one of your generated images as a reference to create the rest of the images in a similar style. This way, you can maintain visual consistency across all images. So, using these tools, you can generate high-quality images for free. I personally created all my images using ChatGPT, as I have a paid plan. If you also have access to it, you can use the same method for even better results. Now, let's move on to the next step. Step 4. Generating videos. For this, the best tool is Kling AI. But here's the catch. It takes a lot of time to generate videos. If you can afford its Pro plan, then it's a great option. But if not, you can go for Hilo AI, which lets you generate 3 videos for free every day. All you need to do is add your image, use the same prompt, or just a simple one like workers working, or even reuse the exact prompt you used to generate the image. Then, just hit generate. It's best to set 3 videos to generate at once and then move on to other tasks, because this tool also takes some time to process. And here's the result. Looks amazing, right? Now that we have our videos, it's time to merge them. For this, I'll be using CapCut AI, but you can use any video editor you prefer. Before that, head over to Pixabay and download some sound effects that match your video. These will help enhance the overall feel of your final edit. For my video, I'll be using sound effects like cooking, sauce pouring, and similar sounds. You'll find all kinds of sound effects here, so just download the ones that match your video's theme. Next, head over to YouTube Audio Library and pick a good background music track. If you're uploading from mobile, you can also use a trending song from the Shorts library or Instagram's music library to make it more engaging. I know that creating multiple videos every week can be incredibly challenging and time-consuming. Finding topics, writing scripts, editing, and managing your channel might feel overwhelming at times. That's why, for the first time ever, I'm introducing our exclusive Done For You program. My dedicated team and I will handle the entire video creation process for you, from brainstorming unique content ideas to scripting, editing, and even optimizing your videos for maximum reach. So if you have the budget to outsource, book a free consultation call with me to discuss how our Done For You program can transform your channel. Click the link in the description below. Now, open CapCut and let's start editing. Once you're in CapCut, start by uploading all your videos and sound effects. Then, add each video to the timeline one by one in the correct sequence. Here, you can adjust the speed, quality, and other settings to make the footage look smoother. After arranging all the clips scene by scene, go to the transition section and add a smooth transition between each scene. Keep the transition duration around 2 seconds for a natural flow. Now, head over to the filters section and apply Clear Enhance or any other filter that suits your video style. Once the visuals are set, go to the lower layer and add all the sound effects in sync with the video actions. Finally, add the background music, adjust the volume to balance everything, and that's it. Your video is ready to go. This is how you can create miniature world videos with tiny workers and gain millions of views on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments which topic you'd like me to cover next. Alright, now let's check out our demo video.